welcome to Wednesdays with Cody from How To Guys for the Win. Today for you guys, I'm going to teach you how to work and to use a microwave. What you're going to need for the video is mainly your hands and a microwave. So let's move a little bit closer here and I'll show you the buttons for a microwave. What the microwave is used for is to reheat things. Okay, so you have a clock on this, you have an alarm, you have 30 seconds, so if you want to make something for 30 seconds, and for a certain amount of minutes, you can hit these buttons right here. You got a power button, you got the stop button, the start button, and you have all these foods here listed. Popcorn, potato, pizza, beverage, baby milk, dinner plate, fresh vegetables, and frozen vegetables. So if you have those, you can just put them right in the microwave and heat them. But screw food. Here's what I put in my microwave. My baseball glove. A tissue box. Put this in for fun. Money. Burn, baby, burn. And finally, your cat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope I helped you out in some way. It's summer, we're all out of school, so that means we're going to be making videos a lot quicker now. So thank you again for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.